Hi again, it is Laura. I'm the Youth Services Librarian for the Clayton Library, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to log your books and track your reading goal for the summer. So once again, you want to make sure you're in the right place. We have 3 reading challenges, a kids, a teens, and adult reading challenge. So for our example, I'm going to get on the Kids Summer Reading Challenge page. And this time, since we've already created our profile, and if you haven't, you can check out our tutorial on that, I'm going to click the blue login button. So here I'm going to enter that screen name that I created and my password. Okay, so this is my profile page on the reading challenge. So you'll see your screen name there. Right now I've got 0 titles. If you had added an avatar, it'll show up here. If you didn't and you'd like to, you can click on this guy to upload that. But I'm going to add a title, which is going to be Where the Wild Things Are. So we're going to put in the title and the author's name. We can quickly leave a review. And you can rate your titles. So there's a scale of stars here, 1 to 5. 1, you didn't love it so much. 5, it was the most amazing book you've ever read, and all those stars in the middle. So you can choose to rate your title if you want. Again, the review and the rating are optional. You can also just put in the title author. And then here is where, for kids who are tracking their minutes, they'll put in the number of minutes they spent reading their book. For teens and adults, you can track the pages if you want, but again, your goal is for number of titles, so that'll automatically be tracked when you enter your title and author there. So you can do 3 titles at one time. I'm just going to do the 1 for now for our example. I'm going to submit that. You'll choose a cover that you want to see for your book. And it's as simple as that. So I can go back to view my profile. And now I see that I have read 1 title. It's going to keep track of my books here. And then at the top, it's going to keep track of my goal. So far I've read 10 minutes. My goal is 80. Another thing you might notice on the side is there are some different activities that we have added to challenge you this summer. So we have our YouTube channel, which if you click on this link, it'll take you to our library's YouTube channel. And we've got some different programs, some story times, virtual teen and adult programs that you can view. So anytime that you have completed one of these activities, you'll check it off and submit it. And that'll also be kept track of here for your activities. So I have watched a virtual program 1 time. You can search for book lists that you like, and it'll keep track of that here for you. If you chose to share your list with others, you can see what readers who have liked your list. So it's kind of a cool way to share book ideas for what to read next. And then we've also included some more reading suggestions. So far we've got our ebooks and audiobook collection linked here, and the NC Kids digital library for our kids and teens. And we'll be adding some more reading suggestions throughout the summer. So that's just a real quick overview of what you can do once you've created your profile and have gotten into your summer reading challenge. We hope you enjoy.